my God.
Smoke something, drink something, pop one.
It's been a long time coming. We've owned the 340 for way too long. Haven't even made the first car payment yet, actually. My first car payment is tomorrow. And SpeedTech sent us something. We got a SpeedTech sticker. Hell yeah. So that's pretty much it. We're gonna be installing that today. Thank you, Jeff from SpeedTech for the, wait, what did it come with? Oh shit, there's more than just a sticker.
All right.
Wait, where are you going with that?
Huh?
Where are you going with that?
What do you mean?
I don't know if I haven't been going to Planet Fitness enough recently, but that thing's got some girth to her. I just seen this last week on Mason's. Everyone commented, they're like, I should get Spool Performance. Any of the other brands, I don't give half a f. SpeedTech gang only. SpeedTech dropped B58 single turbo top mount kits like 2 or 3 months ago. No one really knows about them, but I know about them. And you guys are about to find out. All right, so we went with a PSR 6466 turbo, along with the tile wastegate open dump. We're legit about an hour into the install, and the intake that everyone made fun of me for being a hot intake is deleted. Deleted our 5-inch downpipe that we're no longer gonna need. Deleted a whole bunch of shit, and stock turbo is legit already about to come out.
Might want to cut it.
Toyota Tech Travis. Hold on.
Working on BMWs.
Toyota. That's supposed to be a Superman right there.
Go places.
Well, this thing ain't going nowhere.
This is Superman, but that is not Superman.
Uh-oh. It's literally been 20 seconds since the last clip. Travis already got this turbo out.
What'd you catch?
Caught me a big old catfish.
About to catch Mason's 335.
Hey, yo.
Does the new turbo have a height requirement?
Better be at least 5'7" and up.
5'7's pushing it.
No, it's not. There's so much room down here. We could go like quadruple turbo. You could sleep a family of 4 on the left side of this motor. Oh my God. It only took a month. I had to make my first car payment today.
First car payment and big turbo swap in the same day.
And merch in the same day. It legit doesn't get any better than that.
3 stones, 1 bird.
Wait. It's 3 birds, 1 stone.
I know.
He's cut off. Look
in my eyes, tell me your tail, then you see the road. I'm out to my soul, and tell me the size whenever the smoke clear out of my face and my.
To seal this build off, make it run all right.
All right.
She's good.
Sponsored by Banquet, right there, baby. Look at this turbo setup. Oh my God. That shit looks crazy. And you look like you beat your wife.
A little Ray Rice action.
I'm about to Ray Rice at 335. I'm very nervous, I'm not gonna lie, but we're at the point where we're gonna prime it. Man, I'm nervous. I've never single turbo with a B58. If it was an M54, I would know what I'm doing.
Poor baby.
Don't do
prime this thing up. And I'm primed up.
All right, Travis, let's do it. Very nervous. All right, that's plenty.
Yeah, it's good. It's ready to run.
Ooh, I'm nervous. Here goes nothing. The first B58 on the channel, single turboed. I will say, SpeedTech makes a very good fitting kit. That whole process was way easier than M54. And I'm very nervous.
Oh.
I'm nervous.
All right, start that thing up, man.
My God.
He's stressing for what?
Dude, it started up like nothing was new. Oh my God, Travis.
Nah, it's like, no, that motherfucker started up like that.
It dead started like we didn't change anything. Oh my God. SpeedTech number 4 of the year. Done. She's back. I missed it. I only didn't have it for 3 days, but I missed it. The last thing that we're gonna install before taking this car on the drive is this Valvetronic axle back. So I got the 4-inch forged exhaust tips on here. So pretty much how it works is every time that I'm in comfort or eco mode, that the exhaust is gonna be routed through this muffler right here. And then if it's in sport or sport plus, it'll be straight piped. So we just got the tune from CD919. Make sure to hit him up on Instagram for any BMW tuning and tell him I sent you. We got the Valvetronic axle back on, CD's tune, the SpeedTech single turbo kit. I'm very nervous to see how this first drive goes. Never heard a single turbo B58 in real life, so this is definitely gonna be a first for me. First check engine light. Hell yeah. Oh my God.
That's what I heard when I left the shop, and I was like, I'm no good.
Shit.
Yeah, it sounds wild.
It sounds insane.
Sounds like a 335 miles.
It sounds insane, bro.
Sounds like a 335 with some nuts on it.
Yeah,
Like,
a little bit of throat to it.
It said 640 torque. There's no
640 torque and power.
Spin it on them. Dog. It's so loud. This shit's insane.
It's loud.
Are you joking?
No.
Bro, that's insane.
Nah, man, it's April 2nd. We ain't fooling.
Was that you talking shit earlier?
We can do whatever. It don't matter.
What do we got going on here? Huh?
We can do whatever.
Mason was talking crazy, but
I'm not worried about your car.
you should be worried about your car.
I am worried about it.
You had it for 1 week and you f***ed up already. His car on the way home literally melted all the wires, so it doesn't even run right now. So Mason, where you at, Bubba? You can't talk shit. But we got the next best thing here, a F80 M3.
Your basic F80 things. We got all stock air boxes, stock cover, stock intake pipes. But if you look down here, we're hiding a little inlet right there. Pure turbo action, pure stage 2 high flows, Wagner top mount, CSF front mount heat exchanger, Dorch lift kit, PR brushless pump, EU5 injectors, full fuel system, turbos. That's about it. Yeah,
that's about it.
Just about it.
So we're gonna lose, but I wanted to get a race in for this video. This thing is only on 14 pounds. It's on wastegate, so it's probably making like 37 horsepower. It feels dog piss slow. So we're gonna get gapped, but we're gonna see the winner of the F chassis. 340 with a couple bucks in her. We have an M3 with a couple more dollars in her, so we're gonna see what happens.
You look out.
Come on, man, we got this. Turn it up, baby. Come on. He's also on an E52 and I'm on 93, so I don't know what I'm doing. So like he said, he's on E50 and pure turbo, so he's probably making like 650 horsepower, which is a lot more than this car is making right now. Obviously, I need E85 and I need to turn up the tune. Yikes, we gotta turn it up for show. Damn, we got gapped. We had it for like a second. I was like, uh-oh. But then his turbo spooled up a little bit. I'm telling you right now, we're gonna turn this thing up next video and I'm running him back. And it's game. It's game, Frank. It's game. For a little bit longer that time because I was way more up in the RPMs. Damn, I really thought we had him. Well, that's why you buy an M3, ladies and gentlemen. Nope. It ain't happening today. It ain't happening tomorrow. And it ain't happening the day after that. But I'm telling you right now, give me a week.
I think street racing is legal in Mexico, boys.
No, we're
that's where we were.
We were in Mexico.
Talking about Mexico if you're dyslexic.
Yep. Mexico. Yeah, I got gapped really bad.
Man, BMW did their thing with these F80s, man. Bone stock.
Man.
I don't know.
Bone stock. Yeah,
Imagine
for
if
sure.
it had mods.
Bro, the second one I was like, oh, I got him. And then you pulled it out.
I'll let you get a little hit.
Come on, don't tell me that. You're not supposed to tell me that.
He was pedaling and then he just got into it and I was just like.
We came back to Frank's to pick up something a little bit more that might be closer race. But if I keep losing, we're gonna have to race the Camry.
Corolla.
The Corolla.
No, just don't disrespect the player.
All right, if I keep losing, then I have to race the Corolla so I can get at least one win for this video. Because I can't big turbo 340 and just keep losing everything.
Definitely can't race.
Oh yeah, Travis. If I keep losing, I'm racing you, brother.
This thing got more horsepower than every car in this driveway combined.
at that.
All right, so I'm gonna try to run this E90 M3. I really hope this one's closer. I'm gonna be embarrassed. All the odds are in our favor right now. We have legit 3 people in the E90 M3. It's a manual. The temperature came down a little bit. I had to work with the man upstairs, told him to turn down a little notch for me. Because realistically, this thing's probably making like 400 horsepower right now on wastegate. And that thing's probably making like right around the same. So we better win this one or I'm selling. Yes, sir! All right, that was very expected though. I knew I was gonna win. That's why we had to race him though. I had to get my dub. We got our dub. That's why you shouldn't buy an M3. I like racing this one, for sure. This wastegate sounds absolutely nuts. Like I can't even hear me honk. Does my horn work? Okay, it does. I short shifted a little bit on the first one, but we reeled her in. And it only took a 400 horsepower manual, 3 people deep to win. But next video, 1,000 horsepower. I need to win against something.
That's why BMW made the switch to the twin turbo.
Yeah.
The V8 just ain't cutting it, bro. It does sound great.
It sounds insane.
The sound battle between the F80 and
I couldn't really hear that.
Yeah, well.
Smoke something, drink something, pop one.